Hi everyone, and welcome to the DY family. In today's video, I am back in the kitchen with another easy and delicious dinner recipe to share with you all. Now, the best thing about this recipe is there is little to no prep at all, which makes it great for your busy evenings. The only prep that you have to do is cut up your chicken breast, unless you go ahead and buy it already cut up, because I have seen it in some of our grocery stores. But really, that is the only prep that you need to do for this recipe. There is no cooking the chicken or anything. We're gonna dump all of this into a casserole dish and we're gonna bake it in the oven. Today, we're gonna be making chicken Parmesan casserole. Now, here is all the ingredients that you need for this recipe. You need some water, salt, pepper, chicken breast, Panko breadcrumbs, mozzarella cheese, some pasta sauce, and either mostaccioli or penne pasta. It doesn't matter which one you use, just whatever you prefer or whatever you have on hand. And then some Parmesan cheese. Alright, so I have our oven preheating to 425 degrees. I have a 13x9 baking dish here, and I went ahead and lightly sprayed it. Now, if you want to, you can take out a large bowl, or else you can just go ahead and mix everything in your 13x9 baking dish, but I'm going to put everything in this bowl first to mix it up. We're going to take our pasta, and pour in the marinara sauce, the water, the salt and pepper, and the chicken. And now you're just going to go ahead and mix this up real well. And like I said earlier, if you wanted to, you can go ahead and put it all in your 13x9 baking dish instead. I just find it a little bit easier to mix it up in the bowl instead. Alright, now we're going to take our 13x9 baking dish. And we're just going to go ahead and pour this in. And now we're going to go ahead and cover this. And then we're going to bake it for 30 minutes. After your chicken Parmesan bakes for 30 minutes, you're going to go ahead and take it out of the oven and remove the foil. And you're just going to give it a good stir. And then we're going to add the Parmesan cheese. And the mozzarella cheese. And then we're going to sprinkle on the Panko breadcrumbs. And I'm just going to sprinkle on a little oregano on top. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. And now we're going to place this back in the oven uncovered, and we're going to bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is fully melted and your chicken is fully cooked. Here is what the chicken Parmesan casserole looks like after it is finished baking. I will have this recipe down in the description below if you're interested in giving it a try. I will also include a link to all the recipes that I have made so far, and I'm always adding new ones. So be sure to click on that after you're done watching this video to check out some more great recipes. I want to thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a like and comment down below if you plan on giving this recipe a try, or if you do give it a try, let me know what you thought about it. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.